Okay, how does this thing? Try Zarin. Why? Just to cool out. So basically, it's similar to ChatGPT, but you can access to a lot of models from OpenAI to DeepSeek, Gemini, Cloudy, and Grok. Definitely, you can select just chat. Tell me a joke. Why did the blah blah blah? Because he was blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Nothing is saved because there is no database. Everything saved on a client side, on your site. Go ahead, do whatever, talk whatever. What else you can do? There are a lot of suggestions from summary code to research. Think deeply. You can simply ask, get inspired. Different suggestions. Inspire me with a poetic way to start a newsletter. Nah, okay, this one. Inspire me by describing a peaceful morning in nature. Imagine gentle morning. Too long. Okay, let's try personas. Here we go. Software engineering. I can simply ask, write a function. What? Okay, function for digit star algorithm. Crazy. Okay, here we go. You can simply click on a copy. Done. Super easy, super simple, super similar. Boom. What else you can do? You can simply change the model. We can select O3 mini. For example, think deeply. This one. Reflect on what it means to live intentionally. Living intentionally means making deliberative choices that align with what truly matters to you. It's about tuning out autopilot mode that so often takes over our daily actions, and instead, ultimately it's a personal journey on that continuously evolves as your understanding of yourself and your deepens. Copy if you need this. That's it. No, that's not it. Click this, leave your feedbacks. If you love it, tell me. I love it. Otherwise, trash. GPT. A lot of models. Okay, just say, I love it. Send. Thank you very much. You can just try it out. It's free. It's open source.